Okay, so as you can see, it's done. I have wired the fan to the 12-volt adapter. As I mentioned earlier, it's just zip tied. And put a hot glue over here, which I don't recommend to anyone to do. When you play with mains, that's always extremely dangerous, but I'm pretty sure that most of you know this. The ones who don't shouldn't be playing with it. But that's how it looks right now. I just basically drilled holes. I first secured it with a glue, so it lined up really good. And then I drilled holes through the fan. Make sure that you have a big enough fan that you basically don't drill through the blades itself, because then you break them and they ain't going to work, of course. But now when I flip the switch, when it's plugged in, the fan turns on, because that's the only time this power adapter 12-volt works. So that's it. This will prolong the life of this compressor, as well as it's going to make it cooler, because it really gets really hot. I think the Chinese just sometimes should learn and put in a fan. Every motor should have a fan inside, and for some reason they did not put it in there. So it's kind of sad, but when you're paying $70, I guess you cannot get that much, even though that fan wouldn't cost them anything. Okie dokie, I hope you're gonna like it, and maybe make it for yourself. Have a good one.